Dinesha Walton.
Welcome to another jaw-dropping day in court. Right from the start, we see the judge laying down the rules: dress appropriately, respect the process, and take this seriously. But today isn't just about appearances. Behind these cases are real lives, real consequences, and some shocking twists. From plea deals to bond modifications, and even a man whose entire life spirals out of control. This session has it all. Buckle up, because what unfolds here will leave you questioning justice, responsibility, and second chances.
All right, so Miss, you need to be out of that bed and you're not dressed appropriately for Zoom. All right, you need to put on a jacket or something, Miss.
You want me to call her and tell her?
Yes.
I'll text her.
All right, thank you. And I just sent her a chat.
Okay.
So if you just step to the side and I'll call you right back.
I've got two others up there right now.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Chair.
Jorge Luis Martinez,
That is mine.
where's he?
Oh, you don't mind? Oh, where is it? Yeah, I don't like going through people's stuff. Not for, like the main, like the, to the right, okay. Picture.
And I'll put her in the waiting room and just let me know when she is dressed appropriately.
Okay. I'll give her a quick call when I finish here.
All right, so in this case, where are we?
He's been accepted to PTD. I have the contract right in front of me. He's gonna sign that today and it's gonna be submitted.
All right, Norm, I need a reset date for PTD on Jorge Luis Martinez. All right, so we're gonna have you back on September 15th. Are you employed?
No, ma'am. I'm currently looking for it. No,
Sorry, what?
I'm currently looking for employment right now.
All right, everyone, please whisper. All right, so make sure that you follow through on your contract and everything.
Yes,
All right, thank you for dressing appropriately for court. Just have a seat and your attorney will bring you your reset form.
absolutely. Thank
All
you.
right, thank you. All right. And is she dressed?
She just texted me and said she's ready.
Okay. All right. So today is the plea deadline date,
Yes,
and is this going to be an agreement or jury trial?
there's gonna be an agreement, ma'am.
All right, so if y'all will get the paperwork ready.
I have several courts to be in today. Could we do this on another day? I mean, I've got,
I mean, we're here, she's here.
Okay, and we can do it via, I believe she's in Chicago, if I'm not
Yes.
mistaken, at least Illinois.
All right,
That's
so,
fine. I can text you when the paperwork's ready.
okay.
all right, so I'm gonna put you in the waiting room and they'll get the paperwork sent to you. Ms. Ferguson will need your email and her email. All right, thank you. And thank you for changing clothing. I appreciate that. Timothy Ray Ibarra. Good morning. So on this case, where are we on discovery?
Actually, ma'am, he is pending a psych evaluation. He is supposed to have that on September 19th. He's meeting with the judge.
Ah, okay.
I mean, not the judge, the doctor.
All right, Ms. Ferguson. I need a date in October for this. October 20th, counsel, is that good for you?
That's fine.
All right, so we're gonna recall you back on October 20th.
Okay.
Once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused, and thank you for dressing appropriately for court. Just have a seat and they'll bring the reset form to you, okay?
Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. All right, so where are we on this case?
Okay, so we are awaiting another video to confirm the identity of the persons who were involved. And I've spoken with Lauren, she's requested it from SAPD. And so hopefully within a month, we would know what we're doing.
All right, Megan, when do you think this video will be in on Jimenez?
Lauren,
Oh, I'm sorry, it was Lauren. Sorry, Lauren.
Yes, Judge.
Hi, when do you think the video will be in?
Probably within the next day or so, Judge. I previously got a download link from the detective in March, so I'm working on downloading that initial one to see if it's there, but if not, the detective is generally responsive.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, oh, you're excused, thank you. On this case, give me a 30-day reset and state you'll need to be prepared to tender an offer at that time. September 16th,
16. I'm in Karn
okay.
and I've got a mediation in the afternoon. What about the 18th? Guadalupe, about
Doesn't Guadalupe start with a G and Bear starts with a B? And so we should be above them.
You should.
Who do we need to call?
Okay, so where's the fifth? I'm in Comal.
All right, so
I'll get a date in like
I know,
September.
here are your dates, and
Okay.
you choose one of these dates. We have September 8th, September 9th, September 11th, or September 15th.
September 8th is perfect.
All right, Norma, if you put this down for September 8th. All right, thank you
Thank you.
for addressing appropriately for court. Just have a seat and your attorney will bring the reset form to you.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, I'll be right back. Thank you, Ron. Appreciate it.
Anthony Ray Flores.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
I'm present. Mr. Flores, he's also present. Your Honor, this is our first setting, and he's just notified me that he wishes to hire an attorney.
All right, let's find out. Hi, my understanding is you're going to hire an attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
When?
ASAP, like as soon as I leave.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a 3-week reset on Anthony Flores. At that time, you need to have an attorney here with you. Otherwise, this is going to be your attorney. You understand?
Sounds good.
All right, what date, Ms. Ferguson? Yes. All right, September 8th.
Okay,
Thank you for addressing appropriate for court. Just have a seat. Your attorney will bring you your reset.
Thank you.
thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Rafael Gonzalez Sanchez. So on this case, where are we on discovery?
Yes, Judge. So I'm still downloading. There's a lot of videos in this case. I'm still downloading those. I have spoken with the state. They have tendered an offer. It looks like it's good for 30 days. And there is a motion pending for a modification of bond conditions that I'd like to also set for as early as we can, ideally Monday of next week.
All right, so what is the modification of the bond conditions about?
We're requesting, my client is currently on a tether, full house arrest. We're simply going to be asking for a modification to tracking only or fully removal.
This is where courtroom reality hits hard. Rafael Sanchez, facing burglary and family violence charges, is begging for a chance to work. His ankle monitor currently keeps him locked at home, but his defense is pushing for a GPS modification so he can earn a living. The judge doesn't sugarcoat it. Work means work, and not a single detour is allowed. Stop for food. Violation. Stop for gas outside your route. Violation. This is the razor-thin line many defendants walk, the balance between personal freedom and strict accountability. Now I want to hear from you. Do you think the judge was too harsh here, or was she just making sure no one bends the rules?
All right, so what does he need it removed for? I mean, what's the reason?
So currently he's unable to work.
Right, so then you want it
full house.
partial for employment?
Yes, Judge.
Have you conferred with the state about that?
Yes, Judge. They don't oppose, they don't seem to oppose on the partial. But I understand that Your Honor needs a hearing.
So we can, if y'all are ready, we'll have a hearing right now.
Yeah, state's in agreement to partial GPS for employment only and with the restrictive time period of maybe 8 to 5, so he can do his employment.
All right, and so you filed the motion already?
Yes, Judge.
Do you have a copy
I
with?
believe I have a copy of it here.
If not, I still have that if you want.
Yes, please. And it's on 2 cases. So these are the proposed blank orders, Judge.
All right, so this PF number, is that, which one? Which PF number is the indicted case, or is there 3 cases?
2 cases. It should be a burglary of a have and then a continuous family violence.
Those are, if you want to write it in, Your Honor, those all got combined into one indictment. And I'll get
Oh,
that.
so it's, all right, so then it's just the 2025 CR 007805 for both?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 007805 State versus Rafael Gonzalez Sanchez. Could I have parties announced, please?
Rick Pena for the state of Texas.
Cesar Montalvo for the defendants.
All right, and are you Rafael Sanchez?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, counsel, you're here requesting a modification of bond conditions. Off the record, it was my understanding that there was an agreement
Yes, Your
from
Honor.
both parties, and what is that agreement?
That agreement is to have the defendants conditions modified from full house arrest to partial GPS house arrest with the opportunity for him to go to work with a window of 8 to 5 only. Otherwise, after that, he has to be at home.
That is our understanding, Your Honor.
All right. And also you understand that you're not to have any contact with the complainant?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have contact with the complainant, if you violate these GPS conditions, the court will receive a report of the violation. With GPS, if it's partial for employment, let me just tell you what that means because sometimes people are confused about it. If you are going to work or getting off of work and you're driving and there's an HEB right on your route, or there's a fast food place right on your route and you're like, it's right on my route, let me stop here. That's a violation of your GPS conditions. The only thing you will be allowed to do on GPS is go to work and return home, nothing in between. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor, I want to add that my job is HVAC and we travel sometimes to different cities. I understand they can probably keep me in the city, but I do travel from place to place, restaurants, hospitals, and
All right, hear me clearly. If you stop at a place and you're not there for employment, it's going to be a violation of your GPS.
Okay.
You understand?
yes, Your Honor.
And it would probably be in your best interest if you are going to a specific place and it's a restaurant or some other convenience store or whatever it may be, that you let GPS know that you're there for work. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So I'll follow your agreement if you'll fill that out, please.
Thank you, Judge.
We can go off the record. Now, Ms. Ferguson, can I have a 45-day reset, please? And if you all both sign that once you filled it out.
I will do, Judge. Thank you so much.
All right, September 29th is going to be your plea deadline date. So on that date, you need to let the court know whether or not you've reached an agreement with the state. If you have not reached an agreement, then your next court date is going to be a jury trial date. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you for dressing appropriately for court. Just have a seat and your attorney will bring your reset form to you, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. DeAnthony Germonte Gordley.
Morning.
Good morning. How are you doing today?
Well, just funny you said.
Oh, I cannot complain. You know, any day you're currently alive and your health is okay, it's a beautiful day. All right. So on this case, where are we on Discovery Council? I understand it's been completed.
Yes, Your Honor.
And the at-large case?
That was supposed to be filed, but I just got told this morning it hadn't been filed yet. The judge had to sign it. So
What is the at-large case?
it's an ABI misdemeanor.
All right. Yes.
So that at-large case is a misdemeanor. I've been in communication with the misdemeanor prosecutor. It has been evaluated and has been sent to a misdemeanor judge to sign off on the probable cause affidavit. So that's what we are waiting on. It's from the same criminal transaction as the felony. And I have given them a global offer that would encompass both cases.
All right. So is this a situation where this can't be accomplished until the misdemeanor?
Yes, Judge, because that pursuant to the agreement, it's entering into something on the misdemeanor in exchange for getting something on the felonies.
All right. And which court is that?
So since it's an at-large case, it hasn't been assigned to a court yet, so it would be with whoever is the presiding misdemeanor judge.
All
But
right.
I
So,
did send the email because we worked it out last time and the person from my office said I sent it off and it should be signed, but I checked this morning and it has not.
all right. And I noticed that this case has been on docket since June, waiting, I guess, for somebody to sign something. All right. Ms. Ferguson.
Yes.
This is going to be the final setting for this to be completed and it should be completed by then.
Yes, ma'am.
If it's not completed by then phone calls need to be made. Ms. Ferguson, a 30-day reset, and this is going to be your plea deadline date, and this is the final plea deadline date. All right, September 15th. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court. Your attorney will bring the reset form to you. Once you sign that, you're excused.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Who's here on Andrew Thomas Reyes?
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. All right, so where are we on discovery?
Sorry, go ahead. We need to move the evidence judge from co-defendants into this defendant's case. I also need to review to see if there was a search warrant executed or the state of how this case came to be. But I can do that today.
Okay,
He also has, Your Honor, what is currently an unfiled endangered child case.
and that co-defendant case, is that the B case?
I don't know if you recall those ones we handled 2 days ago with it was Cornelius Cox and
Kelly and Jacob are.
Oh,
Yes.
that case. All right, Norma, what date did I give Suzanne Kramer and Cornelius Cox?
there you go, Susan.
And that was
I
from
believe it was
yesterday.
next Tuesday.
Next Tuesday? I think you are correct. Rick, your mind is a steel trap.
I think you are.
I think Cornelius is sooner than that, correct?
The 19th was Cornelius and Kramer's was the 26th.
All right, so y'all will be back on the 19th. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Oh, just have a seat and they'll give you the reset form. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court. Larry Garcia.
He's at TA right now.
All right, let me,
Yeah.
all right. Let me see if he's on a PR bond. All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 00778 State versus Larry R. Garcia. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Megan Galloway for the state.
Robert Gaona for the defendant.
All right, this hearing was scheduled at 9 a.m. It is now 10:18 a.m. Deputy Laura, was an announcement made?
Yes, Your Honor, and I was keeping it out there.
All right, and the defendant has not appeared. Counsel, do you know where your client is?
No, Judge, I'm creating a report. My number's no good. So.
All right, state, all right, thank you. State your request.
We're requesting a judge's warrant, Your Honor.
All right, the court will issue a judge's warrant, remand your client without bond. If your client makes an appearance, the court will reconsider.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you. James Edward Sanchez. All right, so where are we on discovery?
Your Honor, we did just file a motion for protective order for the CPS records, which I believe Your Honor signed.
Yes.
And we are making those CPS records available to defense today. And that's the only thing outstanding that I have notice of.
Judge, I was disappointed on this on August 4th, so I haven't really delved into this case yet, so I'll need a little more time.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, if I could have a 30-day reset for discovery.
Okay.
All right. Thank you for dressing appropriate for court. Once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, who is here on Johnny Guy Ramirez? Good morning. All right, the court is calling 2023 CR 6932 State versus Johnny Guy Ramirez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Megan Galloway for the state.
Anthony Cantrell for Mr. Ramirez.
Are you Mr. Ramirez?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Johnny Guy Ramirez who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2023 CR 6932 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 1 to 4 grams on October 23rd, 2023 for a period of 10 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Violation of condition number 4. In Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Johnny Guy Ramirez did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of January and February 2025 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, ma'am.
We waive and abandon the remainders, Your Honor.
No objections.
All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you up to 20 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor, it is to revoke the defendant, adjudicate him guilty, and sentence him to 3 years in the prison.
That is correct, Your Honor.
Are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Johnny Ramirez, ma'am.
All right, why were you not successful?
Well, I lost my job, lost my wife, lost my kids, I just didn't have no way of getting around anymore.
All right, when you say you lost your wife, lost your job, lost your children, what, they left you?
Yes, ma'am. No, she didn't leave me. I call her cheating. Yeah.
Right, so here's the thing. If somebody is being unfaithful to you, that shouldn't cause your life to fall apart, because at the end of the day, usually what I've discovered, that person may have known you for only 10 years of your life, and you're letting your life fall behind, because of that.
Yes, I did. And then I raised my babies the whole time, and I just couldn't keep it together no more. Just losing her, my kids,
Mhm.
everything. I remember my daughter was having brain surgery, remember?
Mhm.
And she's going through it again. And the first one was successful, so now she go through it again, and it just killed me finding out that she was cheating and just everything goes. But
Sometimes people will wait for us while we work our way through things, and sometimes they will not. I mean, it's just the way it happens.
you know, I just killed me to lose my family.
All right, any objections to the court reviewing the court summary?
None at all, Your Honor.
All right. So let me just tell you what the court summary says, and this may be a reason why she decided that she was going to remove her star from you. It says that you failed to attend parenting classes, that you were calling the UA hotline, but you failed to submit to UAs, which usually means somebody's still using. And you were discharged from outpatient treatment due to continued drug use. And so that's why. And it says probationer did not respond to phone calls, text messages, mail letters, and reporting instructions left by field officers. Sometimes people practice tough love, and then sometimes people say, I'm done. I can't deal with this anymore. You're not trying to help yourself, so I'm not going to be a part of this. So I'm going to follow your agreement because you're requesting me to follow your agreement. Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes.
All right, the court is going to grant the motion, revoke, find you guilty, sentence you to 3 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. And I'll request the therapeutic community. It doesn't increase the time that you're in custody, but if you take advantage of it and they accept you, hopefully it can help you maintain your sobriety. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreements, because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. When you're released from custody, if you can't find a sober support housing, transitional housing, or if you need to contact somebody to help you maintain your sobriety, if I'm still here, you come back here. I'll make sure that we find a place for you, okay?
Thank you. I would like that.
All right, good luck to you, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Trayvon Stevenson. All right, hello.
How you doing, Jan?
All right.
Judge, this is a compliance hearing.
Mhm.
The supplemental report was sent into the court notifying the court that Mr. Stevenson was locked out of his portable alcohol monitoring device. I spoke with Mr. Stevenson about his circumstances, and basically what it boils down to is he wasn't able to afford the device.
Mhm.
He has, employment opportunities, coming up.
Mhm.
And he's in for a little time to get back into compliance. What I would ask is that we give him 30 to 45 days to get back into compliance with the device with weekly UAs via the IVR hotline. I did speak with the state, and the state is aware of everything that Mr. Stevenson has reported, and they do not have any opposition with the plan going forward.
Okay. All right. So, Mr. Stevenson, I understand that some things that are asked of you require funds. And sometimes you don't have the funds for it, but you have to have it. You understand? Legally, you do. So, we'll then alternate him in. Ms. Ferguson, can I have a 45-day reset, please? Okay, so I'm going to alternate in your conditions to include, you say weekly testing
Yes, Judge.
via the UA hotline. And there's to be no driving. And we'll come back on September 29th to see where you are with regards to the device.
Yes,
All right, and you may want to call, I know there are certain organizations that will donate the money. So get into compliance with the device. All right, is there anything else you need?
No, ma'am. Oh, Judge, I wanted to know also, when my suspension was over.
I'm sorry, what?
When the suspension was over for me to actually go and get my license again.
Oh, that's for half the term. And you actually have a 2-year driver's license suspension, but you can always apply for an occupational license, but we have to have a hearing on that.
So, Judge, I was gonna go over those options with him.
Okay.
Telling him what steps he needs to take to
Okay.
get that packet.
All right. All right, thank you. And thank you for dressing appropriately for court. Paul David Marceau. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. So is an offer tender?
We do have an offer, Judge.
All right. How old are you, sir?
I'm 43.
All right, Norma, recall this in 2 weeks for a plea deadline date, please.
No.
All right, September 8th will be your plea deadline date. And I need an acknowledgement of discovery done.
Get with that.
All right, thank you.
Thanks, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court. Just have a seat. Your attorney will bring your reset form to you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Stephen Louis Lamont. Good morning.
Morning, Your Honor.
All right, counsel, where are we?
Yes, Judge. Discovery seems to be intact at this point. However, I know Mr. Limon is wanting to see about qualification for felony veteran treatment court, Your Honor. He's been in talks with them. We got an ROI signed for them as of recently, and he has an appointment with Ms. Sedina Ruiz, August 22nd, Judge. So they can get a packet together to see about if he meets criteria for the program. We're requesting a reset date so that those processes may unfold and may be able to staff the case and see if he can be into felony VTC, Judge.
All right, so if y'all can do an acknowledgement of discovery for me, and Ms. Ferguson, if I can have a 30-day reset on this in state, was an offer tendered?
I think offers contingent upon whether he is accepted into the program or not.
Okay, all right, Ms. Ferguson, a 30-day reset.
Correct. Would you possibly have Thursday, September 18th available, Judge? Great, minds think alike.
All right, September 18th.
Thank you, Your Honor. Upon doing the discovery, maybe excuse.
Yes.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court. Esteban Tiarina. Where are we on discovery?
On discovery, Your Honor, I think we're about there, but they were getting me the CPS records, which they say were uploaded this morning. I haven't been able to check to see if I can look at them, but I have no reason to believe they're not been uploaded. And then the other thing, I believe there was some notes from some interviews, but those were uploaded today, so I'd want some time to review those due to the sensitivity of the case.
All right.
And then we'd be ready for a
All right, Ms. Ferguson, if I can have a 30-day reset, please. And did you tender an offer or no?
They have not.
All right, so we're gonna get this 30-day reset, and on this reset date, y'all need to be prepared to tender an offer.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, September 18th.
I believe it's also, and Judge, we had previously filed a motion for partial GPS.
Mhm.
The court had wanted proof of, to present like a schedule. And so I have a schedule from.
Oh, if you'll confer with the state and see if they have any objections.
Yes,
If they
Judge.
don't, then we will put it on the record. Yes, discovery and for the state to, just have a seat, sir.
Yes, ma'am. You have a great day.
Oh, thank you.
Judge, I just spoke to, yeah, they had already agreed. We just needed to provide this for the court.
Oh, okay, let's go on the record then.
And they've seen that.
All right, do you have an order?
It would be, that's why I was saying if we've already filed the motion.
All right, they'll pull it and then we'll do
Yes,
it.
Judge.
Okay, just give me a second, we'll do this. Oh, no, just in a second.
Oh, I'm sorry.
My apologies.
Oh, no. All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 005588, State versus Esteban Tiarina. Could I have parties announce?
Rick Payne for the state of Texas.
Attorney Bill Simmons for defense.
All right.
Esteban Tijerina.
All right, Mr. Tiarina. My understanding is that there's a request to alter and amend conditions of bond,
Yes, Your Honor.
and that is for the defendant to be allowed to work.
Yes, Your Honor.
And those work days are Mondays, Wednesdays, and Friday from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Any objections?
Your Honor, I believe the state did object originally, but the court did grant the motion pending the providing of the work schedule. So at this point, no.
All right.
And actually,
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, just have a seat and they'll pull the order and I'll sign it.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
You have a great day.
You too. Hi. Jesse Orozco. Hi, if you can have him come up.
Yeah.
All right, did the state tender an offer?
Yes, and we've rejected, Your Honor, and we'd like a trial date.
All right, do you want a jury trial or a bench trial?
Oh, jury trial, yeah.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, state. When are you all available for a bench trial? This is possession less than a gram
Yes, Judge. Is it less than a gram? Yes, it's less than a gram. It does have enhanced.
with the habitual.
But we would not be opposed to, I'm sorry if I heard you correctly, or a bench trial. We want to post that.
Oh, no, he doesn't want a bench trial. He
Okay.
wants a jury trial.
It probably lasts a day, Judge. The jury selection, maybe 2 days.
And if you'll confer with Ms. Ferguson on a date,
Thanks, Judge.
Appreciate it, Judge. Thank you.
you're welcome.
You have-
Just have a seat and they'll give you the reset form. And if you all could do an acknowledgement of discovery on this, please. All right, who's here on Roland Ramirez? Roland George Ramirez? Who's the attorney? All right, thank you. All right, come forward, please. Counsel, where are you on discovery?
I believe we have it all.
Has an offer been tendered?
The offer has been tendered. Let me, I guess, check this, double check to make sure the discovery.
Hello, good morning.
There may be some files that were too large for me to actually download.
All right, sir, how old are you?
41.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, can I have a 3-week reset for a plea deadline date on Roland George Ramirez? All right, September 8th will be your plea deadline date. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused. You're welcome. Just have a seat. Your attorney will bring the reset form to you. All right, who's here for Luis Coronado? Good morning.
Morning.
How are you doing today?
Just getting old.
But hey, what is the alternative to getting old?
I'm getting my first social security check October, the beginning of October.
Oh, hey. Well, you know what? You don't look it. So that's a good thing too.
Thank you. I had to let it go through my head. You said that because of it.
Yeah, no, you do not. And, Vashan will tell you, I'm always going to tell the truth. If it's something that's going to hurt somebody's feeling, I'll keep it to myself. Much like Thopper and Bambi, where his mom said, "What did I tell you?" And he's like, "If you can't say anything good, then don't say anything at all." So, yeah, but you look great for your age.
So Judge, Mr. Coronado, there was a supplemental report sent into the court. Because Mr. Coronado is requesting early termination of his case. He's been on probation since August 24th of 2023. 4 years, he's been on for 2 years of the 4 so far. He has completed all of the major terms of his conditions, 12 negative UAs and so forth. I spoke with the state. The state is opposed to the early termination. And I think Mr. Coronado has some more information I just wanted to provide to him.
All right, what would you like to provide?
I put myself in a situation I shouldn't have. I should have just called the police, taken care of it. But it's taught me a lot. I was a superintendent for a custom home builder. And throughout the years of dust ups, arguments, and fights from trades, I didn't learn that. I'd use it for when my situation occurred. All that was just, I guess, bothering me. I needed it out, and it ended up bad.
All right, so let me ask you, do you have any other fees that are due?
Judge, I'll take a look at that really quickly. If there is no restitution, he has paid for his fees. Let me double check on that part. Mr. Buck is his attorney.
I have negative or $1,000 above what I needed to be.
Well, here's what I can tell you. If you're thinking about getting that $1,000 back, that's going to take an act of Congress.
No.
It's sort of when you owe a bill, people are always on you to pay it. And then if you pay over, you just say, oh, okay, I know I'm never getting that back. So what classes did you take?
I had no classes.
No. I mean, did you ever take any classes?
No, ma'am.
All right. I see that I'm not the one who placed you on probation. So.
Judge, it's up to date with all of his fees. Like you said, he has paid for a little under $1,000. We did a TAP evaluation. There was no recommendation from that TAP evaluation.
All right. So what are your plans for the future?
Get my Social Security, maybe do some fishing. I haven't visited my dad's grave site in more than 3 years since I can't leave. So that's the first thing I would love to do.
So where are you planning on fishing?
The coast.
And what do you catch on the coast? Do you clean them? Hey, catfish would be very upset with you. So here's the thing. I'm going to grant your application for early term, but it is not going to take effect until, let me see what date. It's going to take effect on August the 19th. So you'll be on probation till August 19th, because whenever persons are on probation and there are complainants, I like to give everybody a chance to let the complainant know so there won't be any issues. You understand?
Yes, Judge.
All right, so you'll be on probation. He'll be on probation till August 19th. So if somebody can reach out to the complainant and let them know that he successfully completed probation. So the 19th will be your last day.
Thank you very much.
Unless you do something.
No, you won't. No. I'll do your office.
All right. So you are excused, and they'll give me the documentation to sign, and I'll sign it and date it as August 19th. Okay.
So my birthday will be a good birthday.
Oh, when's your birthday?
The 25th.
Oh, wow.
So it'll be perfect.
I have family members who are the 18th. So. All right. Who's here on Ashley Jones? All right. Thank you for addressing appropriately for court today. So today is the plea deadline date. Is this what is happening?
I've been in conference with Austin Stout, who's the prosecutor handling the case. He wasn't able to be here today, but we've conferred. We do not have an agreement.
All right, Ms. Ferguson. And he was here this morning. If you all will see about a jury trial date.
We will talk to her.
All right, you can have a seat. Your attorney will bring the reset form. Your plea deadline date has expired. The court will not consider any plea bargain agreements in this case without good cause. Otherwise, you have to plea open to the court. All right, thank you. Just have a seat.
And there you have it. A tense day in court wrapped with the tragic case of Johnny Guy Ramirez, who admitted to violating his probation after losing his family and struggling with addiction. Despite his plea for understanding, the judge laid out the harsh reality: failing to meet obligations means facing the consequences. 3 years in prison, but also a chance for therapeutic rehab, a glimmer of hope in an otherwise devastating outcome. This courtroom shows us more than just legal rulings. It's a mirror of personal choices, accountability, and the tough love of the justice system. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.